All right, Carnation class. Do you remember this page? It's page 33 in your class book. Well, on this page, we're going to do a little bit more. So, if you see, last time we wrote that when I was a baby, well, what did you write? Uh-huh. Okay. Well, I wrote, I couldn't talk. Now, I can talk a lot. So maybe you wrote the same thing, maybe you wrote something different. But is that the only thing that's different about you when you were a baby and how you are now? Probably not. So today we're going to write about more, okay? So, well, first we just want to write down what we wrote over here. So on another piece of paper or in your sketchbook, let's write down. Let's start with w, n. When I was a baby, when I was a baby. And look here, what do we see? We see a comma. So we need to put a comma here. When I was a baby. And it says, I couldn't talk. So let's write that down. I then could apostrophe T. Couldn't t aw talk. I couldn't talk. All right, so then I put a period. Okay, now what do I want to write? Now I want to write about what I can do now. It says, now I can talk a lot. So I'll write that. N, ow. And then I want to put another comma. Now I and t aw talk a l t. Now I can talk a lot. There we go. Now what can I write about? Well, I want you to try and think of 3 more things you can say in the same way. Well, if it's hard to think of something, what I want you to do is go ask your mom. Ask your mom for a picture of when you were a baby. Aha! So, if you have a picture of when you were a baby, so here's Mr. James' baby. And here's Mr. James now. Here's Mr. James's glasses. And here's Mr. James's hair. And his mouth. Oh, gotta put my eyes. Okay. What's different? Well, it looks like there's a lot of things that are different. Well, When I was a baby, look at my head. Did I have lots of hair? No, I didn't have a lot of hair. In fact, it was very short too. So I can put when I was a baby. And the same thing, comma. I I have a lot of hair or I had a lot of hair. Which one will it be? Well, have is right now and had is before, so I will say had. Had. Did I have a lot of hair or a little hair? I only had a little hair, right? A, l, e, t. Lit, tall, little, air. Hair. I had a little hair. But how about now? Now I have dun, 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 lots of hair, right? So it's different. So n, ow. Now I had. I had or I have? Wait a second. Is that right? Now I had? Now? No, it's not now I had. I have to say now I put an X and put h, a, v, have. Now I have l, lots of hair. Air, hair. Awesome. Now, what else could I say? When I was a baby, well, when I was a baby, I could only drink milk. I could only drink milk, but now I can eat lots of different food, right? Ooh, that's a good one, isn't it? So let's write that one. So I'll say w, n, when I was when I was a b, comma, well, what will I say? What am I saying? I can or I could? It was a long time ago, so it's not something I can do. Something I could do. So I could. I could only during drink ilk, milk. Period. Now what will I say? Now, now, comma, I, c, n, can, eat, eat. What can I eat? Can I just eat one thing now? Or can I eat many things? I can eat many things. So I can say, I can eat me, e, n, e, many, k, eins, kinds of food. All right. Period. We did it. Okay. So, when you do your writing, will you write the same things or will you write something different? You can show me, well, by taking a picture and sending it to me. So, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.